Hey guys, welcome back. This is Little Fever here, and today we are on the second installation of the Fail Reel video series, and so these videos will mostly pertain of clips with accidents in them or other random events, or maybe just I didn't like how that scene came out, so I maybe redid it, or it's just unused in the end because a car kept derailing, so I had to just scrap all the clips that included that car or something, and intermixed. For some of these videos, there might be a few photos that are unused thumbnails or maybe not used from layout update videos or other videos of the such. And so now let's get on to those videos, and I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. Alright, now we're back on the track again, and let's hope this time. There we go. And it's a little squealy and forwards, but let's get the body on and clean this sucker up. Quickly now, before I put the body on, I am going to lubricate joints here. And just using some LaBelle 102. And I'm also going to put some of this on the axles, but not too much. Boom. And I guess I didn't note this earlier, but these traction tires are in pretty good shape, so those are not going to be too terribly much of an issue. And now that we got the body and the tender, and they're all hooked up, and it's hooked up, and so let's send this guy down the layout. And it stopped on the express point. Got whatever, fail reel, this is going in. All right, now let's try to see if we park this engine in shot here, and oops. No, he did not. And go back and restart this. All right, now let's try to see if we can park this engine in shot here. And all right, now let's try to see if we can park this engine in shot here. It's going in a little faster now, it's starting to speed up. And it's become more lively, and just stop, and there we go. Right in front of the water tower. Actually, it's nearly perfectly lined up. And that's just about sums up this restoration video. I'm glad we fixed up this engine finally, after I realized that, you know, there's a little fire going on inside of there, or there was a little fire going on inside of there. And we glued some parts on the side and cleaned this engine up and got it running real nice. And I'd like to thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye! Got yeah. Right in front of the camera too. What's going on? Alright.